Complete Welders would like our customers to know how much we appreciate their business, that we want to earn their business all the time. Mike Kowalski started Complete Welders Supply in 1991, as a grassroots company servicing the wine industry, carrying it as a small business, and creating the relationships that built the foundation for the company in the wine industry. And as the wine industry's developed, Complete Welders Supplies developed with it. And with his initial vision of where the company could be and where we are now, I think has played a pivotal role in our success for the company. Complete Welders Supply is located in Northern California. We service 3 counties, Sonoma County, San Joaquin County, and Napa County. What makes Complete Welders different than our competitors, kind of rolls back to what makes us successful, which is the commitment of the employees to the company, and then the commitment of the company to them. And that partnership, I believe, is what differentiates us from our competitors. It allows us to provide better services, build those relationships that really help build the company and position us for the future. As a compressed gas distributor and an equipment supplier, we're servicing the 5 key areas: biotech and pharmaceutical, medical, food and beverage, including winery and brewery, metal, fabrication, and dry ice blasting. I do know that our customers are just genuinely nice people, and they value relationships, they support local businesses, and it gives us that sense of a small community, even though we're living in a high-profile area. We have that small town feeling, with the big town responsibilities. They rely on us to meet their timelines, to work within their work windows, to facilitate the right products at the right times. And when we head into crush and other critical periods, we might be pulling 24-hour shifts of supply in order to, facilitate the needs of the customer. We look at our relationship with the customers as a consultative friendship, where we're an integral part of their operation, and we want to ensure that they feel comfortable that they can rely upon us to provide them with what they need so that they can focus on what's most important to them. And whether it's a biotech company making vaccines for coronavirus, or whether it's a winery making high-end wines for their end users, they need suppliers that will be able to get them the products that they need when they need it, so that they can move forward and accomplish all the great things that they do. I'm really proud to be in the gas business. The industry is fascinating. Metallurgy, gases, science, electricity. We handle the fundamentals of the universe. We sell parts of the periodic table. It's really exciting. And you see how they interact within the welding processes, within food packaging, within food, beverages, within laboratories. So I just find it very satisfying intellectually to just know that we're able to be involved in all the different aspects of the economy. The customers, if they choose Complete Welders Supply as their supplier, can expect the highest level of commitment to meeting their needs. It's a partnership. We bring our tools, our skills, and our resources and make them available to our end users in a way to support them in the creation of their products. All of those challenges make it exciting because every day is a different day. And so we see our role as a supportive role to their end product, and we would expect that those customers choose us for that reason. They're not just a one-off sale. It's a relationship.